with Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano, fresh from South Korea where they shot some scenes for their upcoming film. Liz Ken shared their most memorable Korean experiences.
Saya.
Malamig, masaya.
Malamig.
Ang saya kasi ang sasarap ng mga food nila, ang daming pwedeng makita, and mababait yung mga Koreans na kasama namin. So medyo tinor na rin nila kami.
Gusto ko kasi namin yung lamig, tsaka medyo nag-winter na sa Korea. And it's my first time, di ba? So, we just wanted to see all the nice spots. At doon din kami nag-shoot. So, sakto. Tuwing nag-shoot kami, sightseeing din, kain-kain, shopping-shopping. So, sobrang natuwa kami. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami.
Meanwhile, Liza revealed that she will be continuing her studies despite her hectic showbiz schedule. According to reports, Liza passed her chosen school's interview with flying colors. With this, their fans worry that she might decide to leave showbiz. And this is what Liza has to say.
Actually, ang decision ko is medyo kumalma po yung career.
That she might decide to leave showbiz. And this is what Liza has to say.
Actually, ang decision ko is medyo kumalma po yung career ko. Like, wala masyadong exposure, wala masyadong ganap. Siguro babalik ako sa school. Pero ngayon, sinasabay ko siya. Sakto siya sa schedule namin without taking away too much time from my showbiz life and my personal life and also yung pag-school. Kayang-kayang i-manage lahat.
Liza has Enrique's full support in this decision.
That's what she really wants, you know. Siyempre, I'll just support her no matter what. Pero para sa akin, I think maybe now's not the best time for that. Maybe we can work around her schedule while studying. Darating yung time na